Hi, I'm Chris with Sanderson Test Prep, and in this video we're taking a look at another sample question from one of my students, and we're dealing with triangles and median lines, which are lines that go from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, which means that the two segments on either side of that line will be equal, as noted by the same number of tick marks that we see on both sides here. So they tell us Rx equals 48, and it's important for us to note that in a triangle, the ratio of the two segments of a median, so the long segment to the short segment, that's going to have a ratio of 2 to 1. So here, Rw over Wx will equal 2 to 1 as a ratio. So we could, in theory, solve for Rw just using the fact that we know the total length of Rx. So why do they tell us that Qw is 30? Well, part of the reason is that if Qw is 30, and if this is the shorter side, as noted by fewer tick marks, then if Qw is 30, it lets us know that we can assume that these lengths here, the Rw and the Qw, are the longer segments of those median lines. So here, what we'll get when we set this up, we can treat this as, let's call this x, and let's call this 2x for Rw, because it's twice as long. They've got that ratio of 2 to 1. So together, those two would have to sum to 48. So here we have x plus 2x equals 48. 3x would equal 48. That means x is 16. And for Rw, because that's the portion of the segment that is 2x, then that means that it'll be 2 times 16, which is 32. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have questions, please check out our other videos, and thank you.